the place where you and I were supposed to meet. The city owns the echo on, my thoughts are spinning on and on my head. It seems they lead me back to you. I keep coming back to you. Took a morning ride, found a place up in my mind no one else can see. Maybe it's fate that we lose control. In circles around we go. We become who we ought to know. We just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You, oh, 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 oh. Took the morning ride, gotta leave this all behind, for with you is where I want to be. Maybe it's fate that we can't control. Oh, round and around it goes, and all that we seem to know, we just gotta let it go. We just gotta let it go. So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You are, oh, 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 oh. So many questions I've thrown to the skies, and all of the answers are found in your eyes. When I'm with you, home is never too far, and my weary heart has come to rest in yours. I found a way home. 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 I found a